Welcome, Japanese woodblock print collectors and enthusiasts. It's been a while since we've had an unboxing, and I just got this box with prints that I purchased at an online auction, and I'm going to open them up here for the first time and share them with you. Let's see what we've got. The number one reason I do these unboxings is I'm excited. I'm excited when I get a box of prints in the mail, because these are woodblock prints I noticed due to their subject matter, the series, or the artist, and I bid against other collectors and win. But all of this bidding is based on small, low-resolution images of the prints on the auction websites. And there's an amount of uncertainty in the actual quality and condition of the physical print. So opening it up here for the first time on camera, we all get to see what it is I've actually bought. Sometimes, to be honest with you, I get prints of lesser quality than I expected. Prints that have been glued onto backing, prints that have been restored badly or damaged in some way. Now, on the converse, many times I get prints that are in wonderful condition, better even than museum quality prints. These are some of the reasons that unboxing is exciting to me, and I hope that some of my excitement rubs off onto you. This print is by Kuniyoshi. It's not backed, but unfortunately it's been cropped a bit on the right and left sides, probably to fit in the original owner's print album. This more modern-looking military print is by Kiyochika. It's in very good condition and an exciting pose. This colorful print is by Hiroshige II. It's from the Shogun's Processional series. It's been backed, but it's got fantastic color and it's in great condition. This print is from a collaborative series by Kunisada with other artists designing the various panels. Really nice color and bright paper with good wide borders all around. And here's a second print from that series. Nice condition as well with wide borders. It has the remains of some backing paper. We'll be discussing this series in more detail later in this video. And the final print from the same series, I'll have to put some archival tape across the bottom of this one to stop it from tearing anymore. And here are all three together. All right, now let's examine these prints in a bit more detail and learn some of the history behind them. Starting with this Kuniyoshi print from 1852. It's from the series 69 Stations of the Kiyochika. And the Kiyochika is the inland route from Edo to Kyoto, as opposed to the Tokaido, which is a different route along the coast. It's titled Assassin. Prince Morinaga is shown in his cave prison reading Buddhist sutras. And meanwhile, hiding behind the tree is the samurai Yoshihiro, waiting to kill him. The cartouche at the top left with the landscape in it is in the shape of a chrysanthemum, which is a symbol of the imperial family. This is a great Kuniyoshi series to collect. He designed one print for each of the 69 rest stops, plus prints for Edo and Kyoto. This next print is titled Charging into Battle from the 1895 series Mirror of Army and Navy Heroes. It shows Lieutenant Mitani, a real Japanese officer from the Sino-Japanese War. He's on horseback, taking the lead in a battle. The style of this series is very theatrical and dramatic, as you can see, with him rearing up on his horse with a swirling smoky backdrop of soldiers. Kiyochika was one of the most famous designers of prints of this war. It's interesting to chart the evolution of Kiyochika's style. He was one of the early adopters of a Western-influenced style that is more realistic, using light and shadow. Kiyochika's work is considered by many to be the last significant example of ukiyo-e, and his prints have really risen in popularity and value over the last 15 years or so. I think I'll have to do an artist video on him next. The title of this print is Kanbara, from the series Scenes of Famous Places Along the Tokaido Road, also known as the Processional Tokaido, from 1863. Hiroshige II was the artist of this print in the series. This is a very large series, and it was made to commemorate Shogun Tokugawa Iemochi's historic travel from Edo to Kyoto to pay respect to the emperor. And here he's depicted crossing the river at Kanbara. His entourage had 3,000 retainers, samurai, and officials, and it must have been quite a sight to see. And there are several series of prints that commemorate this trip, but this is the first and most famous, with 162 prints by 16 artists, issued by 24 publishers. So you noticed I got 3 prints total from this 1862 Kunisada series called Flowers of Edo and Views of Famous Places. The term Flowers of Edo alludes to both the flowers of flame, or the fires that sparked up within the city, and also that the people and scenes depicted in the prints were the best, the brightest, the flowers of Edo at that time. This print series pays tribute to the fire brigades that kept Edo safe from the deadly fires that regularly occurred. Let's dissect this print a bit. Kunisada did the main actor image, in this case Ichikawa Ichizo III, as a ferryman or fisherman. He's reaching out of his own frame holding a torch that a fisherman uses to attract fish to their boat. In the left panel is the scene of the Sumida River in the evening, designed by the artist Hasegawa Setei. At the top is an interesting picture of what looks to be small wooden boxes with sake cups in them, with portraits of men drinking, also designed by Hasegawa. And finally, in the top right, the all-important title that commemorates the local fire brigade. It gives the name or number of the brigade, its group, and its district. And here's a photo I have of an actual fire brigade from this time. And you can see their banner in the middle. It's hard to see, but many of them are tattooed. The second print commemorates the Ta Brigade. The main image by Kunisada is of the actor Iwai Tojaku I as Yaoya Oshichi, the real greengrocer's daughter who started one of the large fires in Edo. And you can learn more about what happened to her in this video about the Suzugamori execution grounds. Spoiler alert, it's not good. The other panels in this print were designed by Kawanabe Kyosai. The third print commemorates the Kakuta Brigade, with the actor Kawarazaki Gonjuro as Shirafuji, the famous sumo wrestler. The monochrome picture in the top panel is by Kunisada II and shows women viewing woodblock prints, and they seem to be prints from this series, which is kind of meta. The image on the bottom left of the picturesque Sekiya village is by Hiroshige II. One of the really cool things about this series is that they are very creative. Besides the connecting stories behind all the image panels, many of the prints have overlapping elements, and some of the prints can even be combined into diptychs and triptychs to create a larger interactive scene. The more I learn about this series, the more I want to collect it myself. Alright, that brings us to the end of another unboxing. Not many prints this time, but a lot to learn. As always, please like and subscribe, and happy collecting!